We bought a car for £4,000, it's depreciating by 10% a year, work out the value of the car after 2 years. So the first thing is to work out what it's worth after 1 year, and then take 10% off that, which will be different than 10% off the first amount, as the amounts will be different. So let's start with our 10% reduction. So 4,000 times 10%, I'm sure if you've got this far through the paper you'll understand that 4,000 times 10% is 400. And if we take 400 away from 4,000 we get 3,600. So after 1 year it's worth 3,600. So we now got to find 10% of 3,600. So 3,600 times 10% is 360. And this amount needs to come off the 3,600. So I'll do this one the long way rather than in my head. The first one, I think everyone can take 400 off 4,000, can't you, and get 3,600? I hope so. However, 3,600 subtract 360. So even this is slightly awkward. It might be easier to take 400 off and then add 40 back on. If we did that, we'd get 3,200. So 3,600 minus 400 is 3,200, but you've taken 40 too much, so your answer will be 3240. The method here is to borrow from your hundreds, so this will go down to 5, and leave a 9 there and a 1 there. That's quite tricky, but you're looking at 10 and 90. You've borrowed 100, so you're leaving at 90 and 10. So 10 take 0 is 0. It's 10 actually, shall I say. 9 take 6 is 3, but you've got to add on that 1, which is 4. And then you've got 35 take 2. 5 take 3 is 2. And 3. So that's a bit fiddly because of the zeros. So I suggest you use the method here. If you're going to take away 360, take off 400, and then add that 40 back. And that gives us a final answer of 3,240.